Nein. Aus.
You can get an alarm system for free. Let's see how it works. All you need is a web camera and a web browser. Registration is free. Just enter your username and password and click activate. This is the address where I'm going to set the alarm on. I have 15 seconds to leave. Now the alarm is on. If a thief comes into my house, it's going to trigger the alarm. Let's see how it works. I'm a thief. And the alarm is triggered. I have 2 seconds to deactivate. Now an SMS message is sent to all my neighbors and to myself. They're coming to rescue me and help fight against the thief. Now I'm going to deactivate the alarm. This is how it works. It's easy and free.